Welcome dear student in today's session of how to calculate chemical oxygen demand of a provided water sample. Basically, chemical oxygen demand, it is defined as the amount of oxygen required for degradation or oxidation of biologically degradable organic matter and biologically inert matter present in a water sample in presence of strong oxidizing agent, and by using a simple formula of chemical oxygen demand which is used for calculation, we can calculate easily chemical oxygen demand of a water sample. Let us try to solve first numerical. So I am going for first numerical. So this is first numerical related to chemical oxygen demand, that is COD. So in that numerical, 20 ml of wastewater sample was refluxed with 30 ml of K2Cr2O7, that is potassium dichromate, and after refluxing the excess unreacted dichromate required 11 ml of 0.1 normal ferrous ammonium sulfate solution. A blank of 20 ml of distilled water on refluxing with 30 ml of K2Cr2O7 solution required 14 ml of 0.1 normal ferrous ammonium sulfate solution. Calculate the COD of wastewater sample. In that numerical, two different parts, their values are given. So first of all, we are taking the volume of water sample given. Volume of wastewater sample, it is 20 ml. Then next, in first part, actual wastewater sample are taken and refluxed with K2Cr2O7. Means this is the part of back titration. So back titration readings are given. Back titration reading, it is V1, which is nothing but 11 ml. Second part, blank titration. Blank titration reading, it is V2 ml, that is 14 ml. And a normality of ferrous ammonium sulfate solution is given, it is 0.1 normal. Then our formula for chemical oxygen demand, it is V2 minus V1 into normality into 8 upon volume of sample taken into 1000. So put the values in a formula. V2 it is 14, V1 11 into 0.1 into 8 upon volume of sample is given, it is 20 into 1000. So our answer is, by calculation, it is 120 parts per million. So this is our first numerical related to chemical oxygen demand. This is second numerical of chemical oxygen demand, COD. So in that numerical, 10 ml of wastewater sample was refluxed with 20 ml of K2Cr2O7, and after refluxing the excess unreacted dichromate require 26.2 ml of 0.1 normal ferrous ammonium sulfate solution. A blank of 10 ml of distilled water on refluxing with 20 ml of K2Cr2O7 solution required 36 ml of 0.1 normal ferrous ammonium sulfate. Calculate the COD of wastewater sample. So this numerical, it has a two part. First is the back titration and another blank titration. So values are given. First value, it is the volume of water sample taken. It is 10 ml. Then in a back titration, after titration with ferrous ammonium sulfate, that is V1 ml, the reading is 26.2 ml. In blank titration, the reading obtained V2 ml, which is 36 ml. The normality of ferrous ammonium sulfate is given 0.1 normal. So by using all that value, we can calculate chemical oxygen demand by using a formula. So chemical oxygen demand, it is V2 minus V1 into N into 8 upon volume of water sample into 1000. So put the values in the formula. V2 it is 36, V1 26.2 into 0.1 into 8 upon 10 into 1000. So it is 784 parts per million. This is our answer. So by using that, we can easily calculate the chemical oxygen demand of any water sample easily. I think by using that method, you can solve by easiest way. The numerical depends on the chemical oxygen demand of a water sample. Thank you.